Hi folks, this is It So Far channel. Few notes on Leatherman juice. Okay, so you can find tons of online reviews about this nice multi-tool, but I wanted to share something I encountered first time I took this multi-tool in my hands. It has very sharp edges on flat screwdrivers. I cut myself there just to show you something. This is a piece of plastic. Deep scars. See that? Those are deep scars. It's a soft plastic, but my fingers are softer than that. I would suggest to soften those rough edges. I would do it on this my example. That's it. Thank you.